Hey guys, I'm Barge, owner of City Place Airbnb, and I'm here to tell you a little bit about myself. I used to be a software developer. I worked for MoneyGram writing their iPhone code. I bought my first house in 2017 in the Colony, and a tennis buddy came over. He said, hey, you should put one of these bedrooms up on Airbnb. I thought about it. I thought, all right, I'll try it out, and it just took off. I opened another bedroom, bought another house. I started getting asked by other people to run their short-term rental listings, and through doing all of that, I built up an amazing system on how to run properties the best possible way and get the best possible performance. I then started to look for a new property, one that would offer scale. It would have economies of scale, everything centralized in one place where I could really redesign and re-implement all the things that I learned over years of experience all into one property. Maximizing performance, maximizing financial performance, security, the guest experience, the works. And that's really what you're getting with City Place Airbnb. It's a property that's been intentionally designed by someone who's really passionate about what they're doing, has been doing it for years, to maximize the performance in the best possible way. So that's maximizing marketing, security, technology, operations. And what that means to you is you're taking over a property that's integrated. Everything is working together to deliver best possible performance. So that's a little bit about me. Let me know if you have any comments or questions.